This video guide aims to provide users with a demonstration of how to participate effectively in Phase 1. Users can only interact with Fair mid-page when Phase 1 starts. To take part in Phase 1, you need to have Treat, and or Trick. This is the participation phase page. You will see 12 launch pools with their assigned hexadecimal character. You can also view the total number of participants and the amount of locked assets in each pool. With the rank overview column, users can swiftly assess the ranking and asset requirements of each pool. For example, this summary tells you that you'd need over 9,312 assets to hit rank 50 in this pool. However, this amount will increase as existing participants increase their holdings or new participants join. To participate, select a Zodiac pool. Enter the amount of Trick, and or Treat. And done. You have successfully participated in the pool. You can increase your assets quantity in the participated pool. For example, if you want to be ranked 50 in this pool, you need a total of more than 19,804 assets. Do some calculations, and add in the desired amount to reach the rank you want. With that, your asset quantity has increased in the participated pool. Additionally, you can check the leaderboard of any pool before you choose to participate. You can use the search bar to quickly view the rankings on any leaderboard. It is important to note that when Phase 1 ends, you will no longer be able to participate or increase assets in your pool. Despite our extensive preparations for a seamless experience, we anticipate a significant surge in network traffic in the last 30 minutes before the deadline. It's crucial to avoid waiting until the final moments to participate or increase asset quantity. So, please take note of the countdown timer. Good luck!